Huh? So beautiful, yeah?
Me miss this cars.
So many cars.
Many.
Choose one, choose one, choose one.
Who is the owner?
Yeah. But you know my car is red in color.
Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dennis the National. So today I am here to bring you another amazing video. I'm going to show Maasai Lady, this beautiful Maasai Lady. I'm going to show her around Nairobi, you know. It's her first time in Nairobi city, and I'm going to show her all the tallest buildings she has never seen before. Her name is Agi Nasieku. Nasieku Agi. So her name is Nasieku Agi. Don't forget to like this video, guys, subscribe, comment below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this video. Come with us as we explore Nairobi city. Nairobi is actually
this Nairobi is big. This building looks like want to fall on me. Huh? You know this building is big. Mimi, I've never seen. Huh?
You've never seen a big building like this?
I see like it's shaking. Hey, a building. How can you go up there? This building. How can you go?
You use an elevator or a lift.
What is that?
It's a
aeroplane.
No. It's this box thing that takes you up to the building.
Box.
Guys, later I will take her and show her.
So
lift.
I can go and buy a box and take me there?
No. It's this metallic box thing. You get inside, you press the floor you want to go, then it takes you up to the floor you want.
Can you meet Jesus there?
No, you can't meet Jesus.
It is done.
Yeah. Let me show you guys. This is the building she's talking about. It's very tall.
This one,
yeah?
He has said this one is short. It is taller than this.
Yeah, they are taller ones, like that one. And they are very, very taller ones.
So you can sit down and see it like this.
Yeah. Na yezi anguka.
Maybe I want to one day to go there, up and the air.
Yeah.
Come, let's take me and I want to see.
So guys, we are just going to walk around Nairobi as I show her around. Just want her to see Nairobi, you know. So anyone, if you are coming to Kenya and Nairobi for the first time, just contact me. I'll walk you around Nairobi. I'll show you anything you want to see in Nairobi. If there is anything you want to see in Kenya in particular, I'll take you there, guys. So I'm your guy. I'll leave my contacts in the description below. Also for her, she has a YouTube channel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nasieku Agi.
Nasieku Agi. I'll put that in the description below, so you can see it. Otherwise, let's go see Nairobi. So guys, currently we are at the University of Nairobi footbridge. I just want to show her elevated views of Nairobi. Here is the girl.
Where we are up the road. I don't know where it's here.
But today it's about showing her Nairobi, and it's about showing you guys Nairobi. Yeah. So actually this road is called University Way, and this is the University of Nairobi, and this is the University of Nairobi footbridge. Otherwise, today it's your lucky day. You are going to see Nairobi together with Maasai Bay.
Yes.
So what do you think about Nairobi?
Maybe I'm visiting in forest. I've never seen this road. It's big. Where's the university? You know,
this is the University of Nairobi.
Usually here in the village, people saying, I'm going to University of Nairobi. Today I'm here. No, University.
University of Nairobi.
Of Nairobi.
But Nairobi is beautiful, yes?
Yeah, very beautiful.
And
I want
clean.
to take photos.
Yeah, take photos.
Mimi, I'm taking photos.
Guys, like this video if you're enjoying. We're going to walk as much as we can around Nairobi. I want this Maasai Lady to see all of Nairobi. Like, subscribe, guys.
Can you put me on that
billboard?
Yeah,
that is a billboard.
That's
No, you have to be a celeb. Are you a celeb?
Maybe. What is a celeb?
You have to be a celebrity. What
to be on that photo?
Yeah, everyone must know you to be on that.
You mean everybody? If you are celeb.
You see that one? Yeah. She looks like it's Vivian, and she's a musician, so she's a celeb.
Oh.
So to be on a billboard, you have to be a celeb.
Be a celeb.
So that you can.
How can I be a celeb?
You can be a celeb this way. So guys, she wants to be a celeb. Like this video. Let's get this video to 100,000 views so she can become a celeb. So so she can
You
see
want me
herself.
to become a celeb? I want
Yeah.
to be on that picture, big picture. Everybody is
billboard.
looking at me.
Guys, comment what you think. Can she be on a billboard? Let's make this a reality, eh? What advertisement?
Yeah, I want to be on that picture.
Imagine a Maasai lady on a billboard, eh?
Yes. Maasai with sugar.
Yeah. By the way,
On
it's
the
a good idea, guys. If you're watching this and you know any connections about advertisement, it's very rare to come across Maasai ladies in Nairobi. So this is one in a lifetime opportunity. Contact us.
Yes.
Akwe kwa billboard mara hiyo Maasai lady.
Maybe I want to be on a billboard. Is it a billboard?
Yeah, it's a billboard.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. Hey, take photos. Oh, and we are here. This is my cameraman. He also a YouTuber, and his name is Valentine KE. I'll also put the link to his channel below. We will talk much at the end of this video. You get to know him. Otherwise, for now, let's go. We are going to explore Nairobi. Nairobi, the beautiful city. So, ready? Sema kitu. What do you want?
Guys, today I found some kio. What is this kio called? Building rainbow, beautiful.
Tall building.
I've tried looking for blood. You know, I have thirsty. I want blood. I haven't found blood of cow. My blood, our blood. They don't have original milk.
Guys, so this Maasai lady, she wants blood from a cow. You know, Maasai
hungry,
people.
And I want only milk and blood.
They drink blood straight from the cow.
Yes, a hot one.
And a lot of milk because they keep a lot of cattle.
What is this?
Now she wants milk.
That guy said hi.
Guys, I wish you guys were here. You will have seen what Visanga tunaona in Nairobi na Maasai lady. Everything she sees amazes her. Like she has never seen before, you know. And some are confusing her. And it's her first time, you know. Imagine your first time on a big city. You have been living in the wilderness. Where is home?
My home? My home is in Kajiado.
Kajiado?
Yeah, there is no any building.
Just national park, wild animals and stuff.
And the houses for mud. That is what I only see. Hey, flowers.
Yeah, flowers.
And blood. Nairobi is Irapo.
So guys, this is Koinange Street if I'm not wrong. See how beautiful tall the buildings are. Yeah, and tell you Nairobi is beautiful. If you want to come visit, it's very safe, very clean, not that bad. Yep. So, Nonaje,
I'm already tired, and as he has said, we have not even covered even half
the city.
Yeah, and it's big.
Actually, guys, this city is very clean today. It's more organized, you know. It didn't used to be like this, but right now NMS is doing a good job of keeping it clean, organized, beautiful, safe, and we commend that actually. You know, these are the kind of videos I do, guys. I make sure that people see Nairobi, the beautiful parts of Nairobi. You know, I want to change the narrative about Nairobi and about Kenya. That's why I do this, what I do. I can actually get arrested right now, but thank heavens I have a Maasai with me. You know, they work with swords. Where's your sword?
Mine? Mine was heavy, you know. Ladies doesn't carry, men carry swords.
Oh, yeah, ladies don't carry swords?
Yeah, us we don't carry.
Actually, guys, Maasai men, they carry swords here. They carry swords here, and no one can ask them anything. If I were to carry a sword like that, I would get arrested. For them, they can't.
Nobody will arrest me.
Yep. They own this country. Yeah, Maasai.
Actually, Nairobi is the name of Maasai. This place was Maasai's place. Actually, Nairobi means cold. And that's why Nairobi is really cold, because that name means cold. Nairobi is really cold. Yeah, that name is Maasai name. So this is our land. It was our land. Yes.
So guys, Nairobi actually used to be Maasai land, but it developed, so other tribes moved in, but it used to be Maasai land. So
yeah, this is about
she's
Maasai
telling the
land.
truth. But right now it's tall buildings, you can't even recognize it. You know? And it's so beautiful actually.
Look.
Yeah. Very tall.
That one.
Very tall, eh?
Yes. How can I go there?
Oh, I will take you, not now. I will take you.
Hey, don't.
So guys, this is Kenyatta Avenue. I wanted to go straight, but I can see some cops. I don't want to get arrested. I don't want my Maasai Bay to get arrested.
Hey, Mimi.
Eh?
It's our first time in the city.
Mimi, I want to only Rusi. I don't want to get
Otherwise,
arrested.
guys, tell me, what do you think? She's beautiful, yes? Huh? You guys don't think they are beautiful Maasai ladies? I'm sure you guys have never seen even a Maasai lady to begin with. Otherwise, this is Kenyatta Avenue. I've done a video about this place, but since you are passing here, I had no otherwise but to do it. Yeah, so this guy tells me my camera ni kali, eh? He says my camera ni kali, so means the camera is good. Otherwise, this is Nairobi City. Welcome to Nairobi City, eh?
Mimi, I don't know how to cross these roads. These roads, many cars are many. They cannot, they can kick me.
You can get run over.
Can knock me these cars.
Usiwahi tishwa.
These cars
Ukiwa na
are
Dennis the National, usiwahi tishwa. Bye.
Hizi gari ni mingi sana. Hizi gari.
Yeah.
Barabara ni mingi.
Guys, Nairobi is beautiful actually, in all sense. Nairobi is beautiful, not all of it or 100%. Eh?
That guy is driving a America. That guy is driving.
Guys, I could have zoomed,
him.
but this is GoPro, I can't zoom. It's Jalango sitting on a car seat with no car, holding a steering wheel, so it's confusing her.
That guy is empty. That guy.
If it's this clean, this safe, I can at least bring my Maasai Bay to Nairobi City.
Today I'm in Kilin. You see here? We're stepping on. What is it called? Red?
Cabro.
Red.
It's called Cabro. Red
Here.
Cabro.
We're
Yep.
stepping on the floor.
Yeah.
There's not even dust.
Not that.
There's not dust.
Yeah.
Here is clean. Clean, very clean.
So if a Maasai lady loves Nairobi City, who are you not to? You know, come to Nairobi, guys. Come and see the city.
Yes, come to Nairobi.
That building is National Media House. It's actually the headquarters, so it's a very important building in Kenya and Nairobi. They should come meet Maasai Bay.
Yeah, the Maasai lady.
You want to come meet her, guys?
Come meet me.
Come to Nairobi, anywhere from the world.
Here.
Come.
I'm not going back. I'm not going back.
Me and Maasai Bay will take you around Nairobi.
We'll have fun with the Maasai girl.
This street is called Wabera Street. It's where you find Pronto restaurant. Yeah.
You know everywhere. The way this place is big. How do you know everywhere? Huh? What? Look at that flag.
What?
She has flag, this one.
Kenyan flag.
Who are this? Who are these three people?
Kenyan heroes.
Huh?
Kenyan heroes.
This one?
Yeah.
Hey, can you take me a photo here?
Yeah.
These people. Look at this. These people. Can they say hi?
Yeah.
Can they say
No.
They
Stand,
can-
I take a photo.
Take me a photo.
Once that is complete, it will be Nairobi will be less congested. We'll have less traffic. So traffic is the worst thing in this city if you come. Otherwise, we are getting better. We are doing what we can to change that. Yeah. So this is Kimathi Street. You are going to see the Kimathi statue. If I don't get arrested if I get there. Guys, just look at this street here. Can you believe this is Nairobi? Maasai Bay. Huh? So beautiful, yeah?
Me miss this cars.
Hmm.
Hey,
So many cars.
Hey, many cars.
Choose one.
Who is the owner?
Yeah. But you know my car is red in color.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hey, your car is not here.
Yeah, it's not here.
Yes.
So we go. So guys, this is Kimathi Street. There's this Pronto restaurant here. There are so many Pronto restaurants in Nairobi. I like eating in them because their food is just amazing. This is not a paid advertisement. So Pronto Restaurant, if you're watching this, you should pay me some time. I'm doing a good advertisement job. Pronto Restaurant, mtuite tukule na Maasai Bay. So guys, this is the Kimathi statue, and this is Kimathi Street. Yeah. What can you say?
Huh?
What can you say about this Kimathi statue?
Oh, this man, hey! Oh, come on. This man has the rasta.
Yeah, Maharashtra.
Those are the guys
Mau Mau.
for the independence.
Yeah.
Oh, what is his name?
Kimathi.
Oh,
Dedan
Kimathi.
Kimathi.
Dedan Kimathi.
Yes, we cross. Guys, this is Kimathi Street, and like I tell you, Nairobi is very beautiful and underrated, and it's my job to overrate it.
This place, look at this person has a house here.
Yeah.
It's a house. He has a gun.
A gun, yes. And a sword kama ya Maasai.
He had a rasta.
Yes.
Rasta.
So guys, we are heading towards the archives, Moi Avenue. This behind me, guys, is Hilton Hotel. This is Watalii Lane. And this ahead of us where we are going is Moi Avenue, and the National Archives is just right beside it. Yep. Right over there is Tomboya statue pointing towards Moi Avenue. That is Kenya National Archives. And you can see so many people in this city sometimes. Huh? So guys, this is actually Moi Avenue. And I am here to show this Maasai Lady a very big TV like just never seen before. Umeona TV kubwa kama hii?
Oh, this one, I want to go there inside. They can see me. They even have pizza inside there. Is it pizza or safari?
Hiyo ni pizza.
No, can I go and take it?
No.
You cannot take it?
Yeah, you can.
You cannot?
Yeah.
Hey, it's a TV.
Hey, big TV.
Even someone is jumping. I want to jump there.
So guys, we are actually at Moi Avenue. I'm just showing around. This is the Kenya National Archives. This is Moi Avenue. And this is Nairobi City like you have never seen before. So Kelvin, Valentine.
Yes.
What can you say about Nairobi?
Me, what I can say about Nairobi
compared to Kisumu?
compared to Kisumu.
Yes.
Kisumu is also trying, but Nairobi it's another step. So if you are from abroad or from where and you have heard stories about Nairobi, you should come and visit and see these amazing places in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Nairobi is the best place, and I want to say Nairobi is the best country.
Yeah.
Like I can say,
the best
city in East Africa.
Yeah.
And it's ranked number what in the Africa? I think number 6.
In terms of cleanliness or the largest
Development
and no, in terms of development and stuff, actually I think it's number 1 in East Africa. Population number 2 because of Dar es Salaam, but actually it's a very good city.
And also people are also friendly here.
Yeah. Also another thing, guys, I would like to tell you is that actually Kisumu is actually right now the cleanest city in Kenya. So Kisumu is very clean in terms of that. It's on another level. But Nairobi is really clean. You see, this is a very busy street, and look, it's just clean. You know, it's not that dirty. Yeah. And there are street walks for people. You know, it's clean and green. Also, another thing I'd like to tell you about Nairobi is there are a lot of trees on the streets, which is a very good thing for Nairobi because it makes it more green. Otherwise, guys, thank you for always supporting me. I'm still going to show you around, but.
And Dennis, before you forget,
Yeah.
To the Dennis audience, I also have a YouTube channel at Valentine KE.
Yep.
So you can kindly check it out and drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe, and let me know your opinion.
Guys, just look at this level of discipline.
I can see that man. That.
Tomboya statue, and that is the pizza she was talking
He's
about.
saying hi.
Look there.